In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use HubSpot notification profiles and presets with your team. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to streamline your team's notifications, this guide will walk you through every step you need to know. To get started, you'll first want to open HubSpot and ensure you're logged into your account. Logging in is essential as it gives you access to all the features and tools HubSpot has to offer. Once you're logged in, let's navigate over to the trial guide. The trial guide is an incredibly useful resource where you can find everything you need to kick off any project or process, including building forms. Having a good understanding of the trial guide will set you up for success and make the rest of this process a breeze. Now, let's begin on your HubSpot homepage. From here, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of your screen and find the Settings icon. Click on Settings to open up a new world of options where we can customize various aspects of your HubSpot experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a variety of tabs. Click on the Account Defaults tab. This area is central to setting up your notification profiles because it provides the basic settings that underpin your account's configuration. Within the Account Defaults, you'll spot the Notification Profile option. Click on this as it's where we will set up our notification profiles and presets. Notification profiles are crucial for managing how alerts and notifications are delivered to you and your team, ensuring everyone stays on the same page without becoming overwhelmed by unnecessary information. Now, click on Create Notification Profile. This is a pivotal step because it allows you to tailor notifications based on specific criteria, making them more relevant for different team members. Once you're in the creation interface, you can start setting up your notification profile. Think about what kind of notifications are most useful for your team and how frequently they should be received. This is where presets become particularly useful. Presets are like templates that allow you to apply a standard set of notification rules quickly, ensuring consistency across your team. As you fine-tune the details, remember that this setup will help streamline communications and reduce the clutter that often comes with poorly managed notifications. After you've tailored your notification profiles and presets to fit your team's needs, the final step is to click Save. Make sure you double-check everything before saving to avoid having to redo your settings later on. Once you hit Save, your new notification profiles will be active and ready to be utilized by your team. This process empowers you and your team with a more organized approach to handling notifications, letting everyone focus better on their tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide makes your HubSpot experience even more efficient and seamless.